Dictator, UK column. Assisted dying. Okay, Doomers, newsflash. People are annoying, especially old people, and there's too many of them. Clogging up NHS waiting lists, repeating stories about how they used to juggle apples for fun, and how they saved this country from tyranny just for it to end up a bunch of snowflake wonks like me. Aren't you tired of that? So shut up. Very soon, it's going to be a whole lot easier to bump off Grandpa and get your grubby mitts on the veritable mansion he was stubbornly still living in. If he so much as forgets his Wi-Fi password, he's officially senile, and he'll be fired out of a cannon. To die with dignity, we allow him to wear his favourite cardigan for the event. Not just old people. People you don't like, or someone in the way of a promotion. If you notice Janet has put an extra sugar in her coffee during the office lunch break, she's officially depressed, and she'll be ripped apart by wild animals. She chooses the animals, even you. If they forgot to put black bean sauce on your chow mein and you can't handle it, kill yourself. Solve your problems, solve our problems. Don't you like society? Are you a ruddy demon? Some will say this is population control and state-sanctioned murder. To that we say, yes. Haven't you got the message by now? We don't like you very much. Smelly proles with your demands like air, water, shelter, carrot cake. Life's hard, so let us take that away too. See you next time for more hot potatoes. I'm Dictator, and you're all idiots.